AI can make all sorts of different things. It can make videos, pictures, scripts, but is it possible for it to make a video game? Well, today I'm going to put it to the ultimate test to see if AI can make a 3D first-person shooter game. So let's get started. So first I put in this prompt to make the shooter game, and it gave me all this code. And if we run the code, this is what it looks like. Okay, it's not a bad start, but there's lots of things wrong with it. First of all, the screen is tilted, and why are the enemies pills? What is wrong with the buildings? And it doesn't even shoot, but I had to see what's at the end of the game. And it just says you won. That's it. Okay, so I added a prompt to revise the game code, and it spit out a new version of the code. Let's see if this one is better. Oh, whoa, this one is a lot better. Okay, and you go down. Now you have your weapon, and you have health, and it even shows the animation for shooting. And if you lose, it says this. Still wasn't perfect though. So I asked it to revise the code even more, and this is what it looks like. The plane's in the ground, and now I'm in the ground. What is going on? The game is tilted. All right, this is the new code. Let's put this one in. Dear God, what happened to the plane? Why is it on the floor now? Oh, at least we can pick up weapons now, and it still shoots, and we can still play and shoot the enemies, and also the enemies make me lose health, so that's good. All right, it still was not looking good at all, so I told it to revise the code even more, and it was looking promising until the plane went in the ground. But everything else, the graphics, the health, the weapon, were all looking amazing, and the enemies were looking good, and it even had a feed who was out of the game, and even the enemies make me lose health. But there is one problem. You can go through the buildings. Okay, so overall, not too bad. But I want to see if it can go even better. Oh, why is it like this? What happened to the good graphics? What do you mean the red wall is closing? What is a red wall? Oh, it's the zone, like in Fortnite. You lose health if you get out of it. Let me try to fix it again. Okay, this is not working. Why didn't it work? Okay, I fixed it now, and nope, never mind. The plane is not doing plane things. Okay, this is much better. The zone's closing, the enemies are working, the weapons are working, everything is looking fine. Oh god, gotta get in there. Okay, I have a little bit of health left. Let's see if I can win this. Where are the last people? Where are they? Unfortunately, I couldn't find the last players, so I tried to fix it, but that did not work. It made the code worse, and more garbage. But don't worry, I have a plan for this. I'm going to make the biggest prompt into Gemini that will have everything from the game. This will be longer than 5 essays. It will explain how the game will work, everything that should be in the game, and everything explaining the good graphics. So I got to work writing the prompt on a Google Doc, and I'll later copy and paste it into Gemini. And I was writing every day, all day. Whenever I had free time, I was writing this prompt. And eventually, it was all done. Now I have to paste it into Gemini 3, add the pictures. Alright, here's the very, very long prompt. Alright, let's see what code Gemini gives us. This is a monumental undertaking. Oh, jeez. Okay, here we go. Copy all this code. Put it into here. Alright, let's see if it works. Oh, okay. Not that bad, but I was expecting more. But let's see. Wait, the buttons don't even work. Let me fix this. Okay, that's looking a bit better. Dear God, what happened to the game? The old version was better when the zone didn't even work. Okay, I told it to fix it, and now it's looking a lot better. And you could change your skin and stuff. So, what is this? Why is the plane like this, and why is it blurry, and why is the zone shifting already? Gemini 3, you failed me. That's it, I'm moving to ChatGPT. But unfortunately, even ChatGPT was no help. So I found a website that would make games for you with a single prompt. So I gave it the prompt, and it was not looking good at all. But fortunately, I found Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code is a thing you can put on your computer, and you put your code in and tell how you want it to be fixed, and it will fix it right up. So I can just put the original code in and tell it fix whatever problems it has, and then we'll have a 3D game. So I got all the original code and I put it into the coding studio, and I told it to revise it, and here's the massive code. Wow, it's looking not that bad. There's a forest, we're in an airplane. The skyberry's not looking too good, but it's fine. Alright, let's drop into the forest. Oh, even the shooting works. It's not perfect, but it's pretty good. Wow, look at this compared to the old game. But unfortunately, I don't think AI can deal with 3D games yet. But it can make a little 3D game, but not really realistic and not that good. So I'm gonna try to make a 2D game next. And no other 2D game than Fruit Ninja. So I asked Gemini to make a Fruit Ninja game, very long code, and to spit out some code. And I asked Code Studio to fix it up and make everything look good. They gave me the code, and we were ready to play. Dojo Slice. Alright, here we go. Ooh, this is satisfying and good. Wow, okay. I guess AI can make games, but not 3D games. And has a menu, a high score. So we just recreated Fruit Ninja in a few seconds. Wow. So in conclusion, AI can make 2D games, but 3D games, not that good. Still needs improvement. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.